Welcome to another episode of Mind Matters, the podcast that delves into the fascinating world of neuroscience and human cognition. I'm your host, Shruti Singhi, and today we have an intriguing topic to explore: the effects of chewing on increased brain activity. Chewing is something we all do every day, mostly without giving it much thought. But did you know that this seemingly simple act can actually have a significant impact on your brain function? Joining us today is Dr. Sarah Thompson, a renowned neuroscientist and expert in the field. Welcome, Dr. Thompson.
Thank you, Shruti. It's a pleasure to be here.
We are thrilled to have you. To kick things off, could you explain how chewing affects our brain activity?
Certainly. Chewing is a complex motor activity that engages multiple regions of the brain simultaneously. When we chew, our jaws and facial muscles move in a coordinated manner, stimulating various sensory receptors in our mouth. This sensory input sends signals to the brain, activating the primary motor cortex, somatosensory cortex, and the gustatory cortex, among others.
So it's not just about breaking down food?
Absolutely. Here's a fun fact. Chewing involves more than just mechanical digestion. It has been found to enhance cerebral blood flow and increase the release of certain neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and serotonin, which play vital roles in mood regulation and cognitive function.
That's fascinating. Are there any specific areas of cognition that are influenced by chewing?
So studies have shown that chewing, whether it be gum or even a plastic specialized device, can improve attention, memory, and overall cognitive performance. The repetitive motion of chewing can increase arousal levels, leading to heightened alertness and improved focus. Furthermore, the increased blood flow to the brain during chewing delivers oxygen and glucose, essential for optimal brain function.
Are these effects limited to certain age group or population?
The effects of chewing on brain activity are not age-specific. While some studies have focused on children and adolescents, others have been explored the impact on adults and even elderly individuals. In fact, chewing gum has been used as an intervention to enhance cognitive performance in various populations, including students during exams and older adults with cognitive impairments.
It's intriguing how something as simple as chewing can have such widespread effects. Are there any potential application or therapeutic uses of this knowledge?
Indeed, there are potential applications. Students at the Dental College of Tokyo actually ran an experiment on this idea and produced their results in a peer-reviewed article. Chewing has been investigated as a non-pharmacological approach to enhance cognitive function, particularly in situations where attention and alertness are crucial. Additionally, ongoing research is exploring how chewing may aid in the management of stress and anxiety, as it can promote a sense of relaxation.
Fascinating. Before we wrap up, are there any other interesting findings or future directions in the field of research?
Absolutely. The researchers in Tokyo are still uncovering the full extent of chewing's effects on brain activity and cognition. There is ongoing investigation into the underlying mechanisms, potential long-term benefits, and whether different chewing behaviors such as speed or gum composition may have varying effects. However, one thing they're really trying to branch into is how these findings can potentially help patients with early onset dementia. Maybe it will decrease the effects of dementia or even prolong it. It's an exciting area of study with much yet to be discovered.
Well, I never ever knew chewing went beyond the realm of eating. In my opinion, this can be a real game changer for the field of dementia and other diseases with declining brain activity. It sounds like we'll have to stay tuned for more exciting developments in the future. Thank you so much, Dr. Thompson.
It was my pleasure, Shruti. Thank you for having me. And to the listeners, would you consider incorporating 5 minutes of scheduled chewing time each day, whether it be gum or a plastic specialized device?
And thank you all, our listeners, for tuning in to this episode of Mind Matters. To conclude, today we explored chewing's impact on brain function and how there is now a new field of research in enhancing cognitive abilities through something as simple as chewing. Join us next time as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human mind. Until then, keep chewing and keep exploring.
Bye.